Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to configure Arduino IDE software on our Ubuntu. Then we are going to install nodemcu ESP8266 driver on our Arduino IDE inside Ubuntu 20.10. Okay, so let's start. First, we have to visit their website and we need to download the official software for our Ubuntu. Okay, so simply visit their link www.arduino.cc, then go to the software, go to the downloads, and here as you can see we have here a Linux 32-bit and Linux 64-bit. okay, so I am on Ubuntu 64-bit, so I want to download Linux 64-bit. If you are on Linux 32-bit, so of course you can download for Linux 32-bit. so simply click on Linux 64-bit and it will download the software. From here you have to click on just download, and as you can see it says that the save the file. okay, so just click on and save the file. I have already downloaded the file. As you can see, I have already downloaded the Arduino latest software. okay, now we have our software. Now I am going to close the browser. So if I open the terminal and in downloads, as you can see we have here our Arduino software. okay, now we are ready to install. So first we are going to untar the package. So sudo space char -xvf and just name the package Arduino. okay, then just hit enter. We need to mention here our sudo password, enter it, and as you can see our package is untarring. So we have extract our packages. okay, so if I run the ls command, as you can see we have here our Arduino folder. okay, so simply if I go inside that folder using cd command, cd Arduino is Arduino 1.8.30, this is what our folder. Hit enter. If I run ls command, and as you can see we have here our install.sh file script, bash script. okay, so simply we are going to run the script. So sudo /install.sh, this is with the way we run our bash script. okay, so simply run the command sudo /install.sh and just hit enter. Adding desktop shortcut menu item files associations for Arduino IDE. Basically it's now installing the Arduino software on our Ubuntu 20.10. okay, so friends, as you can see it shows the message here done. It means we have successfully installed our software. okay, now if I minimize the terminal and in show applications, if I search for Arduino, as you can see we have here our Arduino IDE. Simply click on, and as you can see our Arduino software is now ready. okay, starting. okay friends, but we have not done yet. We have to install the drivers or software for our ESP8266. okay, so simply go to the file, go to the preference, and here in URL section we have to enter the URL for our nodemcu ESP8266. okay, so I will mention the link. okay, this is what the file.json. simply copy it. I will mention this file inside my description box. You have to simply copy and paste inside the additional board manager URLs. okay, simply click on OK. Then friends, we have to go inside the tools, and here we are going to go inside the board manager. Board, as you can see here it is the boards and boards manager. Simply click on, and for here we have to search for our board ESP8266. okay, as you can see ESP8266. simply we are going to install the latest version. Click on install, and as you can see it's installing. So friends, as you can see we have successfully installed our ESP8266 drivers on our Arduino Uno. okay, now close, and now if I go inside the tools in board section, as you can see, we have now our ESP8266 boards. Okay, and friends, as you can see here, it is what our ESP8266 model, generic ESP8266 model. Simply select it. Okay, then again go to the tools, and in port section, as you can see, we have here a /dev/tty USB 0. This is where the port where our nodemcu ESP8266 is connected. Okay, if I open the terminal, I will show you. I have connect the ESP8266 with the Ubuntu laptop. Okay, so if I run the command sudo space dmesg space pipe, then grep tty USB, okay, and if I hit enter, as you can see, we have here a tty USB 0 device. Okay, and also in our Arduino software, in port section, it shows /dev/tty USB 0. Simply select it. Okay, now we have connect our nodemcu to our Arduino software. So we are going to test. So simply go to the file, examples, digital, and blink without delay. Select the program and then just upload. And friends, as you can see, our program is now uploading inside our ESP8266. And friends, now our inbuilt nodemcu LED is blinking. It means we have successfully configured Arduino software. Also, we have successfully installed ESP8266 driver, and then we have successfully uploaded the program. I hope you will learn something from this video, and you also install Arduino Uno software on Ubuntu 20.10. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.